Examples of probability 2. Example. In a jar, there are 10 purple pebbles and some green pebbles. From the jar, if the probability of taking out green pebbles is 3 times higher than the purple pebbles, then find the number of green pebbles in the jar. Solution. Number of purple pebbles is equal to 10. Let the number of green pebbles be x. Total number of pebbles is equal to x plus 10. Probability of green pebbles is equal to 3 times the probability of purple pebbles, and we have to find the number of green pebbles. Thus, probability of green pebbles is equal to x by total number of pebbles is equal to x by x plus 10 is equal to 3 multiplied by 10 by x plus 10 is equal to 30 by x plus 10. On solving, we get x is equal to 30.